Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you this beautiful 1987 Chevrolet Silverado C10. This truck is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful black paint on this truck. Wow, what a gorgeous, gorgeous pickup truck. Those billet specialty wheels with those redline tires, this truck, it just sets it right off. This thing, the paint and body on this truck are very, very nice. Super, super clean pickup. And this is an 87. It has a fuel injected V8 engine and an automatic overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. Air conditioning blows cold. It's got that red pinstripe down the side. Really, really accents this truck. Very, very nice. I see a lot of these trucks out and about, but to buy one that's this quality is a rare opportunity. Beautiful inside the bed. Does have a rubber bed mat put in it. Interior in the truck is absolutely gorgeous. It's got a TMI seat in it. Dash pad's in great shape. Carpeting's in great shape. Headliner looks really nice. Dome light works. Tilt steering wheel. Silverado door panels with the straps. Them are just iconic on these trucks. Door jambs, super, super nice. Tinted windows. Doors open and shut very nicely. Door gaps, everything on this truck is just panel fitment, panel alignment. The chrome and the bright work on the truck is in very, very nice shape. It's got the wheel well trim. It's got the Silverado molding down the sides of it. It's got the correct mirrors. It's got the correct drip rail moldings. If you're looking for a square body, then there's probably no need to look any further, because I don't know that they come any sharper, any nicer than this one. When this truck was restored, they put a brand new dash instrument cluster in the truck. It's got 1,240 miles on it since it was completed. There we go. Had it running outside there. I forgot I had it run. I held it to run for about 45 minutes. Air blows ice cold. Got a retro radio in it. Like I say, tilt steering column. The seat in this truck is super, super comfortable too. Way more comfortable than the original bench seat that would have been in this truck. Dash lights work, turn signals work, bright headlight indicator. It's got new dual exhaust on it. Got the like a Blazer type style roll cam bumper on it. Sounds good, looks good, drives good. When they dropped this truck off, I drove this truck home 2 days in a row, and my son, he really loves this truck. He rode in it and he enjoyed it, so did I. It drives great, it runs down the road smooth, rides nice. It has been professionally lowered. Just a really, really nice 87 Chevrolet Silverado square body. The paint is just as slick as you could ever imagine. You can look down the sides of the truck. It's black and it's beautiful. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Our phone number here. www.kenyonauto.com, KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, specialty vehicles, and regular inventory on a daily basis. So if you have something to sell, give us a call. We may be interested in purchasing your car. Or if you're interested in this beautiful square body, or maybe one of the other collector vehicles that we have in stock. We stock anywhere from 125 to 150 collector cars. So check out our website, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just hit the subscribe button, that way you never miss another great collector vehicle. This truck, I'm telling you everybody, the bottoms of the doors, the cab corners, the box, there's no bubbles, there's no blisters, there's no paint imperfections that I can find anywhere on this truck. Really, really nice. Got a little scuff here on this tailgate molding there. Other than that, I mean, it's just gorgeous. You know me here at Kenyon Classics, I'm always about pointing anything out to you that I see, but this thing is a beautiful, beautiful pickup. I really appreciate everybody watching my videos, and I hope you have a great afternoon. Until next time, this has been Adam at Kenyon Classic Cars. See you later, guys.